Hi guys! So today we're doing math lesson 6 and this is the learning target we're focusing on. I can use estimation when multiplying mixed numbers. So thinking about estimation, what estimation means, it's a rough calculation of the value. So what that means, it's a rough calculation of the answer. So it's finding the answer without solving it the normal way. So we've seen problems like this. You are able to solve problems like this. But today we're focusing on estimating. So here are the steps that we're going to follow on the side. Step 1, determine what two numbers the mixed number falls between. Okay, so 6 2/3. If we think about 6 2/3 on a number line, where is it going to fall? So if we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8. 6 2/3 is going to fall between 6 and 7 on the number line. Those are the two whole numbers it falls between, 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. We're going to multiply by each number, which means we're going to do 6 times 2 and 7 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. So we know that this answer to this problem is going to fall between the number 12 and 14. Now, just like we said before, the number falls between 6 and 7, but 2/3 is greater to 7 than it is to 6. So let's look at our options. It's a multiple choice answer. Let's look at our options. Here are our options: 17, 13 and 1/3, 12, and 11. So knowing what we know, which ones can we completely take out? We're determining the closest answer. We know it's going to be between 12 and 14. Which ones can we take out? So we can take out 17 because it's larger than 14, so the answer can't be 17. 13 and 1/3 could be the answer. That's between 12 and 14. So we know that 17 is too big. We know that in here is going to be 13 and 1/3. What about 12? Oh, well, this is 12. Here's 12. And 11. 11 would be over here, right? So we know the answer can't be 11. It's too small. Think about what we know about 2/3. Can the answer be 12? Well, the answer couldn't be 12 because that would just be 6 times 2. So the answer can't be 12, so it must be 13 and 1/3. So estimating is really making a rough answer. So these are the steps again. So determine what two numbers the mixed number falls between. So we know 6 2/3 falls between 6 and 7. Second step, multiply by each of those numbers. So 6 times 2 and 7 times 2. We're using the 2 from our original problem. 6 times 2 and 7 times 2. So we get the answers of 12 and 14. Now we need to determine the closest answer from our multiple choice, which is on the bottom here. So we know we've got 12 and 14. We know the answer is going to be in the middle somewhere. Can it be 17? Nope, too big. Can it be 12? Nope, because it can't be there because we have 2/3 still to multiply by. Can it be 11? Nope, too small. So our answer is 13 and 1/3. Your job is to follow the same process. Again, there's an example on the top. So you're doing page 7 in your packet, which looks like this. Same process. You're going to write the letter of the answer on the side. But again, it's multiple choice. It's understanding where those numbers fall between. How can you estimate? That's the goal. So make sure you finish page 7 in your packet. When you're done, complete the exit ticket, and then you're all done for the day.